Big fish.
That'll make a day of fishing.
All right, guys, we're back at it again. Switching it up today and doing some creek fishing. Just out here on one of the creeks in Northern California. I'd like to be up in the mountains fly fishing right now, but we got the Dixie fire burning out to the east, shutting down all the mountains, all the streams and highways out there. And we got another fire, a couple fires out west, so I can't really get to the coast or do anything out there. So we're kind of just stuck in the valley, but we're gonna do some bass fishing today. I can already see about half a dozen decent, looks like spotted bass chilling in this pool. There's also some big pike minnow mixed in, so I got 2 rods with me. I'm gonna be throwing a lot of plastics, probably just Senkos, maybe some Ned rigs, but I don't know if I'll be able to throw any treble hook baits in here because of how weedy it is. But we're gonna get started and see what happens. Oh, there he is. Fish on. Little one. Oh. All right. Got a little smallie. First fish of the day. Hopefully we get some bigger ones. Can barely lip him. There you go. It's got some nice little colors on him. Put him back. Oh, okay, doesn't want to go that way. There we go. So I'm walking and I just stumbled upon this thing. It's a huge crawdad. It's got the red, super red, orange claws and body, so might need to find something that matches that color. Walking. Lots of little bullfrog tadpoles. Here's one right here. A couple of them. Let's see if I can pick them up. Oh, big one. So I think they're feeding on those. Might be a little hard to get them to eat anything else. So we got a new spot here. Just walked down the creek a little bit and found this deeper hole. The water's a little more stained, so let's see if we can't pick something up in here. Little spot, not too bad. About the same size as that smallie earlier. There you go. It's got some nice colors. We're just upstream from our starting point down there. We got a little bit of deeper water here. Some nice cover. So I switched over to a soft plastic buzz frog, and we are gonna see if we can get something to maybe blow up on top water. It smells terrible right here because there's a ton of bats living up above here, and all this, I don't know if you guys can see all this brown, looks like dirt, and it's actually just bat shit. So smells like raw sewage down here, but we're gonna see if we can get a fish. Oh, big fish. Oh, I lost him. Oh my God. He's still there, I see him. Damn. That's a nicer fish. That's probably maybe a 2-pounder. So he's still sitting in that current. I'm gonna see if I can get this untangled and get back there. Drag was not tight enough. Come on, bud. Come on. I don't know if he's gonna hit it again. All right, I just spotted a decent bass, kind of hanging out right in here. It could be the one a bit earlier. Yeah, it's definitely a bass. There's some big pike minnow in here too. Bass is about, oh, there's 2 bass straight out for me. Might be a bunch in there. Start over there. See if they hit this. We're looking at it. Yeah, there's bass in there. They're trying to hit it through the weeds. There's one. Oh. Pike minnow. No way. Huge pike minnow. All right, so I'm seeing some probably 2 to 3 pound bass in there, as well as some huge pike minnow. So I'm just gonna skip this. We're gonna wait for a blow up. Yeah, there's a fish right there. Oh, they're missing it. They're trying to get it. There we go. There's a big frog right there. See if we can catch the frog. Let's see if he wants it. Yeah, so now these frogs are going after it. Let's see if I can get him to get it again. Here he comes. He's going for it. You got me. Here comes the other one. It's coming. Eat it. Oh, he's eating it. Should we give him a hook set? There you go. That's how you catch a frog on a frog.
Got him through his tongue. Oh, poor guy. There you go. He's good. He's good. It's a little floppy. Tasty frog legs. All right, we're gonna let him go.
looking at it. Here he goes. Oh, he had it. Damn. He bit it. He's still there. Here we go, here we go. Got him. Oh, that's a better fish. Come on. Don't get me in the weeds. That's a nice spot. Come on. Oh, he's getting in the weeds. I'm gonna try to bring him in. That is what I'm talking about. Woo. That is a nice creek spot. Pretty nice fish for this little creek. That'll make a day of fishing real quick. So I'd say he's probably 2.5, I don't know. Fought real hard, so we're gonna let him go. There you go. There's a fish. Little bluegill. Catching, or looks like a green sunfish. Surprised he got the hook. It's got some nice colors on him. Orange and blues. Chuck him out there. All right, I think that's gonna do it for me. Yeah, not too bad of a day fishing. Got smallmouth, spots, green sunfish, and a bullfrog. I guess we can add that. So, not too bad. If you guys like this type of video and want me to do more creek fishing or bass fishing, leave a like or comment, and if you have other suggestions, I'd love to hear it. But until next time, it's gonna do it for me. Peace.